Hi everyone. Today I'd like to introduce the new volume discount template, which is volume discount with a free gift. This is very similar to the highlight deals, with the difference that now you can add a free gift to each option. Let's go ahead and make one together. So I have a protein powder product, and I would like to offer a free gift if someone gets 3 of this. So with the first option, it's just a single item, and I am not going to offer a discount. And with the second option, let's say it's 15% and it's the most popular. And with the third option, I'm going to go ahead and add my free gift, which would be a protein bar. I can actually offer this as many as I want. So I also want my clients to see the original price of this free gift, and here, maybe I can say like a free gift or free gift included or something like that. And then the rest of the settings are the same as the other volume discounts. Now let's go ahead and save this and see how it looks. And I want this to be selected by default, by the way. And I don't want my users to be able to get extra items. So now let's take a look. Great. So as you can see, the 3 options are available, and you can change the variant of the main product. You can see that 2 free gifts are included, and you can change the variant of the free gift. And you can also see that the free gift is available with this one. So let's go ahead and add this to the cart. So 2 free gifts. Also see what the prices are. The bundle discount tag, the package size, and then if I go to checkout, I can see that these 2 are free, and this is the discount that I'm getting. So I hope you're as interested in this as I am, and I'm hoping to see this on your shops very soon.